trying to get the right line for this, for the outer part of the orange, and it's really tricky. So I don't know if I should add more. Like probably I should do a slice here and probably do a whole one here where we'll just be seeing just the outside of it. Hello, Sir Reader Barrett. Hope I pronounced your name right. I hope you guys can hear me today because I've been suffering trying to put the audio on. If you can hear me, please say yes, we can hear you. Because this is going to be the first time I actually go live with the audio on. My add a slice here because I want to showcase like the orange. This is going to be the half sliced. This is going to be like this slice over here. And now I want to add also another one, whole one in the back here. So we can have a slice, a whole one. And then we can add like leaves on there too. Let me see. For the leaves, maybe right here. Maybe that can be our leaf. And probably two leaves, another one coming out from this side. Like so. Dynamic leaf. So it means this one will have to go then. And that will be our leaf. Then we'll have this other side too. This leaf will go like this. So that's what usually goes through my head when I'm trying to make a composition. I don't want this line to be tangent with this, so I'm going to put this out a little bit. Now like so. So that can be our leaf. At least one of them. And this can be the other one. Like so. try to add a little bit of details on this slice here, because this is going to be our slice. Yeah, that will be our slice. This is the half, and this is going to be the whole one. So the whole one, what we have to do is we're just going to create the top part of it. So I'll go here and start conjuring out the part. And give it a small stain where it's cut off of the attached on the plant. With some ridges. Like so. And here, I'm gonna add a little bit of juice. Like it's just got cut and spilled some juice out. Maybe one big one, one medium size. And let's add a teeny tiny drop here too. So I guess our composition now is in order. So now I'm gonna have to make the sketch a lot vivid before we start putting the ink. For ink, let me show you guys what I use for ink.